Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Girls Always Talk. I hope you guys are all doing fabulous. Yes, you heard me, fabulous. Before we go any further guys, I would love for you guys to do me a favor, a wee little favor, and that is press on that subscribe button. You know I would really appreciate it, and it helps my channel out. So you guys, push, push, push. Alrighty? If you want my opinion, we can have a personalized chat about anything, life, marriage, children, work, you name it. So click on my link below and we can connect, and I'll see you there. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, today I want to talk about how to make room for your own success. So, have you ever felt that you wanted to accomplish a project? You wanted to do something for you, but every time you give it a shot, there is something that just stops you, like whether it's your husband, your children, or your mother, your friend, like anything at all. It just pops up at the wrong time and you just can't get it done. So that's where I'm going with this, guys. So I'm going to give you a couple of reasons or a couple of ideas that you can do to get yourself to that point of accomplishment. Okay? So guys, this is where you start, okay? So one of the things that you must do is you must make it clear to everyone that's around you or anything that is stopping you to do what you need to do. You got to get it out of the way, right? Get things out of your way, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to tell the people that are around that you need time for you, because a lot of time people doesn't really understand that you need time too, because you're probably so busy giving and just being there for everyone. They think, you know what, oh, she's got everything in order, she's got everything organized, and she needs no time. And that's the funny part, right? Because when you are that person and that certain type of person that usually gets everything done for everyone and you're usually there for them, I think they completely forget about you as a person, that you need a bit of room and you need a bit of space. And of course I can go on for long, but you get what I'm saying to you. So you must make it clear that you need time and you need space for yourself. So whether it's once a week or maybe a day you might need, it could be 2 weeks, and it also could be a month. It doesn't really matter. You just have to let them understand. So you must be clear so they get it, right? So that's one of the things that I do. So guys, the next thing that you need to do, the next thing I do, is you have to defend your space. And trust me, sometimes you might get a little bit of fight for that. Defend your space, right? It's very important to defend your space. I need space to do this, I need space to do that. And I mean, you don't have to tell anybody your business if you don't want to, but you must use the word space, because that's what they're going to understand, that you need a bit of space to do whatever that you need to do. And trust me, it can probably be a little bit of fight, but you must defend your space. So example, your husband walks in and here you are, you were busy doing what you need to do because you need to get it done. And he's like, honey, what are you doing? Then this is when now you need to tell him, honey, I need my space. Remember we had this conversation before? You understood and you agree? Well, now I'm taking my space. So clearly here, if you want some dinner or whatever you need, like you really need to get it yourself. I have to laugh, but no, you must be clear because chances are he will get it. And the same thing goes for the children. If you have children, I'm just cracking up because I'm just remembering my own situation here. You really have to let them understand this is my time right now and you are budging in on my space and my time, and this is something that we've spoke about before and clearly no one's listening, right? So you gotta go back over it and just, you know, try to explain yourself again. But anyway, like I said, you gotta fight for what you want. That's just the bottom line, right? You got me. So guys, third one is value your time. And when I say that, I mean have your time planned out for that period of time that you're gonna be spending by yourself to accomplish what you need to accomplish. So in other words, you must know when you sit at that table or sit wherever, what are the first steps? Step 1, step 2, step 3. You should know what you're gonna do because you want to make the most of your time. You might only have an hour, you might have 2 hours, but it doesn't really matter. The point is, if you plan what you're gonna be doing, then you will get through it really, really quickly and really, really easily and accomplish. Here you go, right? So value, 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 and plan, 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 right? We're on the same page. So guys, step 4. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay? You must thank the people that are around that have allowed you to accomplish what you needed to accomplish. You must let them know that you're very grateful that they understood what you needed from them and that they have came through for you. That is so important to let others around you know this, because this way everyone feels great. You have accomplished what you wanted to accomplish and you can move forward, right? So don't ever forget to always say thank you so much for understanding. Alrighty, and guys, I could probably go on and on and on, but I'm gonna leave this right here now, and maybe later I'll come up with another segment where we can continue. If you guys do love this video, comment down below, give me your thoughts, your feedback, and if you love this video and you want to see more of these videos, comment down below. Let me know so we can just have a great conversation. Alrighty, so guys, don't forget, go to that subscribe button, press on that button. I do need you guys' support, and you know that it helps out a lot with my channel. Alrighty, I can't be any more grateful. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, if you're not talking, no one's listening. What did I say? If you're not talking, ain't nobody listening. Big kisses. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Also, but you must